Welcome everyone, and today we are going to make Naruto headbands. So, as you can see from the bag, you will most likely have your stencil, a strip of cloth, one of the silver brads out of your 6 that you're supposed to have in your bag. You also should have, a aluminum strip, and like I said, 6 silver brads. So that's everything you should have in your bag for your Naruto headbands. So first, we are going to start off with tracing out our stencil. I have a black Sharpie here. They work best because no matter how much you rub, they won't come off the aluminum foil. So I'm going to trace out my Konoha stencil design. Alright, so now that I got it traced out, I would say not too shabby myself. I'm going to now pin these on my fabric. So depending on, there are 2 different types of fabric, depending on which one that you have. This one has a grid pattern and it has a pocket on the back. So if you have the pocket on the back of your headband strip, then follow this part of the video. Don't worry, I'll go back if you don't have that part of headband. I will go back at my video and explain what we have to do. Okay, so we're going to lay our piece of fabric flat, and we're going to align our aluminum somewhere toward like the middle of the fabric, and we're going to push our pins first through the aluminum piece, and then we're going to push it all the way through the fabric. As you can see from what I'm doing there, just going to push it straight through, and it should easily just go straight through the fabric, and you're going to leave it like that. So coming up, I'm going to do the next 5 holes, but I'm just going to speed through it because you know how to pin aluminum brads into the foil and through the fabric. So here we're going to speed through, and you can listen to this awesome Naruto soundtrack. Okay, so once you're finished, all your silver brads should be through the fabric, and they should be sticking up just like that. Don't fold them over just yet, because there's a reason there's a pocket on these headbands. So, in order to get the brads to not hit your forehead, you're going to push your finger through the pocket lining and get the silver brad that's sticking up, get the fabric over that piece, as you can see what I'm doing here in the video. So I'm struggling a bit, which is typical because this is a bit difficult. But once you get the silver piece through only the one side of the fabric, as you see right there, you're just going to push it flat down. Make sure it's stable. And ta-da! Nothing on the back. So now you don't have to worry about the silver brads hitting against your forehead. So that's what the entire back should look like once you finish, and that's the front. So that's how your first headband should look. So for those people who do not have the grid shaped fabric and have this nice silky smooth piece of fabric that looks so brand new, yep, that one. This is for you. Now if you examine your fabric, you should notice 6 holes already pinned in here. So that's to help you align up the aluminum piece and for you to push your brads into the fabric a lot easier. So I already have a pre-made aluminum piece ready to go. I have my 6 brads. And once I'm done playing around, okay, so I'm going to align my aluminum piece right on top of those 3 holes. So you see that right there? Yep, right there. Just align them. Just put the 3 holes that's on your aluminum piece. Push the silver brad through the first hole of the aluminum piece. Yep, there we go. And now I'm going to push it through the hole of the fabric. There we go. Just like that. And you're going to do that for all 6 pieces. And there's our 2 headband pieces. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next week so we can do our next session.